Hi everyone, I'm here to share hashtag Mandala Mondays 2024, hosted by M Beans Color with Me. I will have the hashtag and the host in the title down below, and we just pick any mandala, color it, and share it on Mondays. I don't know if she's doing this next year or not. Maybe. I hope so because I have two mandala books now and I'd like to work through them. This one I'm going in order in the book, and the other one I'm not. It's a nature mandalas, and I'm just doing one a month on those because they're a lot more detailed. Anyway, so for this week, 12/9, which I did on December 4th, and I wrote 2025. Oh my goodness, I'm ahead of myself. I don't want it to be 2025 just yet. It's coming soon enough. So I used Altenew alcohol markers. I did write down the numbers and the colors. I don't know if these particular colors are still available because, like I mentioned in a different video, they changed their ink formula, and I think they're starting to change their alcohol. Maybe they already did markers, colors to match. I don't know. So the colors were orange, yellow, red, Neptune, which is a green blue, pale green blue, and pink. At least that's what I saw when I looked it up. Um, so I just did them. This is the orange is actually called Marigold, number one. Two is yellow, but it's actually warm sunshine. I kind of wish I had found a little bit less golden yellow and a more bright yellow, if you know what I mean. But that's okay. We're in the fall season still, right? We're almost in winter, so I guess that's okay for fall. Number three, red is burnt red. Number four is mountain mist. It's supposed to be Neptune. And five is coral berry. And then back to the orange, and then I just took my Arctic's acrylic markers and dotted this for some accents in the center of the flower. Let me hold it up. I'm not going to do the backgrounds in this book unless I feel compelled once in a while. And this one gave me a ring around it, and a couple other ones did too. That's the only accent I did on this one. Come back for next week because I did the next page in here, and I used the same exact markers, but it's a different design, and I did add a few more accents with the Artilix acrylic markers. I need to use them, and I don't like them for actually coloring. Um, I just don't feel like I have enough control with them. And even for the accents, I need practice, but I thought what better way to practice, right? So that's my um, my mandala for the week of, or so Monday, December 9th. And yeah, be sure to go check out M Beans Color with Me, and also check the hashtag, and because others are participating. Some of them put them up on shorts as opposed to longer videos, which I should really learn how to do because I talk too much, right? Anyway, take care, hugs, love, and peace.